Hi, I'm Will at Blackburn Audi, and I'm delighted to be showing you around this brand new Audi.
And in stock today we have this beautiful Audi Q5 Sportback Quattro Edition 1. It sports a 50 TFSIe petrol plug-in hybrid engine that produces 290 PS. Now combining that with its S Tronic automatic gearbox, you get a 0 to 60 time of just 6.1 seconds. This particular Q5 is finished in the Glacier White metallic paint, which contrasts beautifully with the black roof rails and the privacy glass in the rear and rear side windows, as well as the black styling pack. Now, this being a petrol plug-in hybrid, it features a 14.1 kWh usable capacity battery that gives a battery range on e-tron mode of 37 miles, or can also be used in smart hybrid mode. The front of the car sports these stylish LED headlights for maximum visibility whilst out on the road, alongside these gorgeous 20-inch 5V Spoke Design Audi Sport alloy wheels that contrast with the optional red brake calipers and really gives this car the road presence that it deserves. Now moving around to the rear of the car and taking a look in the boot space, it certainly does not disappoint, with a very large and spacious boot which is perfect for your weekly shop and any luggage you may need to carry, even with the charging cables as well. And for any large loads, the 3 seats also fold down. And of course this boot also benefits from an electronically operated tailgate. Now moving inside the vehicle and taking a look in the rear interior, we have the full leather upholstered rear seats with the white stitching, the fold down armrests with cup holders and their own zone of climate in the rear as well. And moving to the front of the car, its contemporary design is only furthered, with the S logo embossed front sport seats with full leather and white stitching, the Audi MMI and the flat bottomed 3-spoke multifunctional steering wheel. The front sport seats are fully electronically adjustable with 4-wheel lumbar support, and for extra style points the doors feature these gorgeous piano black finish inlays and Alcantara, and who could forget about the Bang & Olufsen premium sound system. Now taking a look at the multifunctional steering wheel, it houses buttons on the right for volume control on those hands-free calls, and on the left to control the Audi virtual cockpit, allowing for a customisable experience whilst out on the road. And of course this Q5 Sportback would not be complete without the cruise control function, perfect for those longer motorway journeys. Now in the centre here we have your Audi MMI, which houses menus such as Audi Drive Select, allowing you to choose between a range of driving presets such as Dynamic for a sportier feel. Also found in this menu is your charging and efficiency and e-tron modes as well, meaning you get all the information you might need on this plug-in hybrid. You also have your DAB radio, meaning you can tune into your favourite radio stations, as well as your external media outlets, meaning you can play your favourite songs on the go. You also have telephone connectivity for those hands-free calls, which also works alongside Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And of course we can't forget about your navigation and maps, allowing to get from A to B in the shortest and safest route possible with route guidance as well. Also displayed on this MMI is your 360-degree camera, which gives you maximum visibility when manoeuvring, making parking an absolute dream. Just below you'll find the controls for your front passenger and driver's climate control. This allows them to change the temperature on their side of the car according to their comfort needs. And as an added luxury, the front sport seats are also heated, which is perfect for those colder winter months. And of course we can't forget about your S Tronic automatic gearbox and electronic parking brake, now making driving this Q5 as easy as possible.
So this vehicle comes with 3 years warranty and 3 years roadside assistance. For more information please call 01254 868 216 or inquire online.